rin sa dati, pabalik pa rin sa dati. Uy, ano yan, boy? Looking for ano? Looking for what? Looking for, wow, let me check this.
Uy, ano yan, pre?
Ano kasi, naghanap kasi ako ng website na pwede mag-download ng free editing apps. Eh, may nag-send sa akin, accidentally, may nag-send sa akin. Parang ano, timing talaga. Gusto ko sanang i-check.
Ang tingin nga. Ay, alam ko na. I-check mo muna yung link na yan sa app na to. Wait lang.
Meron kang alam. Sige. Baka may
Maganda
virus.
to, promise.
Baka may virus. Check ko.
Body drop and tell you to stop.
Behold the SafeLink program, a multifunctional system that detects links that contains malicious software, viruses, and more. This program is capable of finding out if a link will contain malicious intent to the microscopic level. It's capable of understanding the difference of a safe link from an unsafe link as a whole to partitions. It features a URL reputation checker, phishing pattern detector, safety score generator, and HTTPS and certificate validator.
Let's start with the URL checker. This feature of the program checks the parts of the links that may contain the harmful content, from length to special characters to keywords to IP addresses. It checks out every little detail about the URL. Once the program detects a suspicious part, it will be marked 3 levels of reputability. First will be the normal, where as the word defines this level, there is nothing wrong with the link. It is completely safe to visit. Second is the moderate. Links that are in the moderate category is a bit unusually long compared to normal. And last is suspicious. This category states that the link has a high chance of having malicious content and is very unsafe. Besides the length of the link, it also checks for suspicious keywords that can blow its cover for being safe.
Moving on, we have the blacklist and whitelist of URLs. This feature checks the domain of the link if it is within the blacklist or whitelist of the program. After inputting the link, it will tell you if the domain is safe or not. Next to it is the capability of adding and removing domains. This will give the user of the program the capability of adding and removing domains that should be included within whichever list or if a mistake was made.
Next up, we have the check redirects. One of the most dubious ways a malicious link do to conceal itself is by shortening its link. By shortening the link, it removes the details of original links that gives away its malicious properties. This feature's purpose is to track down its original link and understand the original link's content. By doing the same process of inputting the shortened link, it will do the rest of the work and tell you if it's malicious or not.
때론 포기하고 싶은 꿈 너와 천천히 너를 걷고 싶어 until the end of time.
And last, we have about SafeLink. Here you can read the description of the program, what it does, and what permission it has of you. And lastly, number 8 is the exit program. This command will finish the program once the user is done using it. Uy, salamat sa sinabi mo kasi kung di mo pinigilan siguro marami pang nangyari sa device ko. Salamat sa SafeLink app dahil nalaman kong safe yung link. And baka pag-download na ako ng free premium editing app. Thank you talaga sa SafeLink.
Sabi ko sa'yo solid yan. Maganda yan, pre. At gamitin mo ulit yan sa sunod na. Kailangan mong i-check yung mga link. Lalo na kapag feel mo na suspicious. Okay?
To summarize, our program is capable of cracking down the smallest of smallest details of any link that can show its true nature of being dangerous.
Uy! As previously mentioned, it is capable of understanding domains, special characters, keywords, and even shortened link that conceals this site.
And to top it all off is a list of links and sites that are also in the whitelist and blacklist.
Once again, this is SafeLink.
Here to protect you.